We just got kicked off the flight because our 2-year-old would not put on a mask, and we tried. I mean, I'm gonna put a video on. And they're sending all of our bags and Adeline's car seat to New York. And we're banned off of United forever because a 2-year-old would not put on a mask.
Mas não sair dessa, tá vendo, ok? Kaya, Musa tá vendo. Adeline, Musa. Musa tá vendo. Okay? Okay, ako yung panasita. Kaya tá vendo?
Babe, do you want to try putting it on her?
Yeah.
Adeline, Saka Valley.
Musa tá vendo.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to go. So please put away your carry-on items, including your large electronic devices like laptops. Feel free to keep using it.
I'm gonna have to ask you to grab the belongings and extra, but we gotta be getting it, no sir. Why? We're over here holding this mask on her face. I'm sorry, sir. I gave you another opportunity. I took that opportunity and I ran with it. You see this? I'm literally covering her face. I gotta, you know. Do you guys do this all the time or what? Like, what? If there's non-compliance, yeah. This is compliance. I'm literally holding it over my daughter's face. This is compliance right here.
We can't force her. She's literally holding it and she's crying.
You're gonna do this to us? Like right now? Yeah? Wow.
Alright, let's go.
Your jacket's up there.
Okay. Go.